Hey guys, it's Erica here from Babe Skills, and today I'm shooting in a different location. I'm in my nursery nook for baby boy Carl, who's due in 3 months. I thought it'd be a good place to shoot today's video because I'm going to be showing you what's inside this postpartum essentials box from Fig and Palm. So I actually found Fig and Palm on Instagram and I was super impressed and excited by their idea. So basically they put together a curated box of postpartum essentials. Now this is my first baby, so I've been hearing a lot from my friends about how important stocking up on care for yourself and your body after having a baby, but it's also very confusing. There's so many articles about all the things you need. I've heard some things are a waste, so I was excited to find this company that sort of puts all the thought into it for you. It's really cool because they have a bunch of different types of boxes. So they have a mini box, an essential box, and they even have one for mothers recovering from C-sections. So even if you're not pregnant, I feel like this is such a great gift. I received this in the mail and I wanted to do something different. I've never done an unboxing / first impressions. I did take a quick peek inside to show you guys when it came in the mail, but I didn't read, up on the products and everything that was included. So let's get into it now. Okay, how cute. You got this, let's hope. Congratulations, Robin and Britt. Robin and Britt are the founders and they're both moms and the genius behind this idea. So let's see. I'll kind of show you guys what the inside looks like. So it's really cute. I love the branding and the colors. So here's some of the products and I'll go through each one. So the first is Nature is Slow, dark chocolate with rose petals. I mean, I feel like this is going to be well deserved after giving birth, so just a nice little treat yourself. Oh, how cute. I love these water bottles. It's a baby pink beaker glass water bottle, which I know if you're going to be nursing, it's essential that you stay hydrated. So that's really cute. This is a hand-poured coconut wax candle. So, oh, that smells really, really nice. I think it's important, when you become a mom, of course, you're selfless and you're giving and giving and giving, but these little luxuries like a chocolate bar and a candle in your room can make all the difference and make you feel a little bit pampered. Okay, this is something I've been hearing a lot about. An herbal sitz bath. I really like this. Is all natural, and basically what you do is you pour 8 cups of boiling water over the herbs and let it steep for 30 minutes, and then you're going to strain these tea leaves and then pour them into the bathroom, and this just helps recover the lady bits a little bit. Okay. Clarity Collection Nipple Balm. I've heard investing in a good nipple balm is key to being successful at breastfeeding, and so I trust Fig and Palm, and I know that they've probably done their research and have included some really great brands, so I'm excited to give this a try. Okay, this is funny. Roid Relief, put a spell on that swell, and this is by Fat and the Moon. I mean, sorry not sorry, this is something we need to talk about. Unfortunately, it happens to a lot of moms, and I'm glad that this company can sort of make light of it, and it's good to be prepared. Okay, and the last thing in here is this boob food nursing tea. I've heard a lot about nursing teas. I haven't done my research. I don't know much about them, so I'm excited to try this, and I can definitely do a follow-up if you're interested. But basically this nursing tea is a warm cup of nutrition for you and your baby. It's composed of different plants, roots, seeds, and this is meant to help the mother restore their body after 9 months of nourishing a growing being. I just thought that this was such a cute concept. Whether you need to buy this for yourself or as a gift, the point of my life where I'm at, all my friends are having babies, and I feel like just to be able to have a curated box already made up for me, and it's something the mom can so appreciate, is so invaluable. So I really love this. This is such a cute gift. I want to thank Fig and Palm for sharing it with me, and I'm so excited to share it to all of you. And check out my blog post because I believe they're going to offer something special for Babe Skills readers.